Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share the question paper of UG third semester examination 2020, and the paper name is CC7, that is British Poetry and Drama 18th to 19th century. So let's jump onto the question paper. And this question paper is by Kolani University. As you all know that at first you have to attend 10 question and each question carries 2 marks. These are short questions. So first question is, what are Oreb and Sinai in book 1 Paradise Lost? Number B, who are Briaros and Typhon in book 1 Paradise Lost? Number C, Leviathan, which god of all his works created hugest that swim the ocean stream, who is referred to here and why? Number D, what are Sion Hill and Silonas Brook in book 1 Paradise Lost? Now come to the second page. Number E, thick swarmed both on the ground and in the air, brushed with the hiss of rustling wings. What is referred to here and why? Number F, who is Malchiber and what happened to him? Number G, who are Belus and Serapis in book 1 Paradise Lost? Number H, there stood a hill not far, whose grisly top belched fire and rolling smoke, the rest entire. What is referred to here and why? Number I, it was he had summoned to her silent bed the morning dream that hovered over her head, who is referred to here and why? Number J, oh say, what strange cause yet unexplored could make a gentle belly reject a lord? Who is referred to here as gentle belly and what did she do? Number K, some secret truths from learned pride concealed to maids alone and children are revealed. What are the secret truths and why they are revealed to maids and children alone? Number L, know then unnumbered spirits round the fly, the light militia of the lower sky, who are referred to here and what do they do? So the next number is M, the light coquettes in Silophs aloft repair, and sport and flutter in the fields of air. Who are the light conquests and what do they do? Number N, who are Florio and Damon in book 1 The Rape of the Lock? Number O, and now unveiled the toilet stand displayed, each silver vase in mystic order laid. What is referred to here and why? Number P, of these am I who thy protection claim, a watchful sprite, and Ariel is my name. Who is Ariel and what does he do? The advent rose Baron the bright locks admired. He saw he wished and to the prize aspired. Who did the Baron do and with what result? Number 2. As you know that here you have to attend 4 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. So the first question is number A. Satan in book 1 of Paradise Lost is in some ways an appealing figure disguised with reference to the text. Number B. What does book 1 of Paradise Lost tell us of the theme of this epic, and what picture does Milton present of the angels in revolt? Next is number C. Discuss critically the significance of the invocation line 1 to 44 of Paradise Lost Book 1. Number D. Milton's hell is not a region of hopelessness but a place for meaningful activity. Justify or refute this statement with special reference to Paradise Lost Book 1. Number E. Write a critical note on the use of classical mythology in Paradise Lost Book 1. Number F. Pope's heroine is not a bride to be, but a coquette par excellence. It's a correct estimate of Belinda's character in books 1 and 2 of The Rape of the Lock. Number G. How far is it correct to describe The Rape of the Lock as a specimen of the poetry of allusion? Discuss with reference to books 1 and 2 of The Rape of the Lock. Number H. The little is made great and the great little. Is it a correct description of the Rape of the Lock? What effect does Pope create by the collation of the great with the title, little? Discuss with reference to books 1 and 2 of The Rape of the Lock. Next is number I. What aspects of the 18th century has Pope satirized in books 1 and 2 of The Rape of the Lock? Discuss with suitable illustrations from the text. And here is third portion. Here you have to answer two 10 marks question. First is, in the Duchess of Malfi, Webster demystifies and critiques state power, religion and patriarchal authority. Discuss with illustrations from the text. Or question B, the Duchess is a failed ruler because she shuts out the political world to establish a private amorous sphere. Justify your answer with suitable illustration from the text. Number C, does the manner in which women are treated in the play The Rover reflect the social situation at the time the play was written? Discuss with proper illustrations. Next, or question number D. Why do many critics believe that Helena is the rover rather than Wilmore? Discuss with suitable illustration from the text. So this is the whole question paper. If you like the video, please like, comment and share to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.